All right, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create modules within the D2L Brightspace Learning Management System. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is from the home page, you're going to want to click this Content button up here at the top. That will then take you to this screen. So you'll click, the next step is you will click this plus sign new unit button. That will then take you to this screen where you are creating a new unit or a new module. So the first one that I'm going to create is just going to be called week 1. It auto-filled there for me. Double check too over here to make sure that the date is always available. You can add a description of that module. So description of module, and then you'll hit save and close, and it'll create that new module. One thing though that you have to make sure of so that students can see it is to turn this toggle on. So right now the module is hidden, but then now it is visible to students. And if you wanted to add existing things to that module, you would go over here to these icons, the add existing or create new. That way you could actually input information into this module or folder within the class. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you learned how to create a module.